In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this super cute mini plush octo. This pattern is available for free on my Instagram. For more information, please check out the drop-down description box below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get started. For materials, I am using this size 6 plush yarn called Sweet Snuggles Lite. This is the colorway Coral. I am also using a J 6.5mm crochet hook, and the rest of my materials are listed here on the screen, or you can check the drop-down description box below. To begin, this is how I make my magic ring. Grab the yarn and chain 1 to secure the ring. Single crochet 8 into the ring. I am placing a stitch marker into the first stitch. Once I have a total of 8 single crochet into the magic ring, I pull the magic ring closed. You want to do this very gently. Now move the stitch marker to the very last stitch made. Round 2. As I work round 2, I like to crochet over the tail so that I don't have to sew it in later. We're going to increase into each stitch. This means to place 2 single crochet into each stitch for a total of 16 single crochet. Round 3. Single crochet into each stitch all the way around. You should have 16 single crochet. Now for round 4, 5, and 6, we're just going to repeat round 3. Remember to continue moving your stitch marker for each round. Once I have completed round 6, I will show you how my work is looking. Here I am at the end of round 6. Now we're going to move our stitch marker to the front loop of our last stitch. Back loop only decrease all the way around your work. We should have 8 stitches at the end of this round. Cut your yarn and pull the tail through the last loop on your hook. Now we're going to attach the tentacles by working into the front loops all the way around our work. Place your hook into the first loop, grab your yarn, and chain 5. Increase into the second chain from hook. Increase into the next 2 chains. Slip stitch into your last chain. You can help the little tentacles to form properly by giving them a little twist as you go. Then slip stitch into the next 2 loops on the body of the octo. Chain 5. Increase into the second chain from hook. Increase into your next 2 chains. Slip stitch into your last chain. Slip stitch into the next 2 front loops on the octo. Now we're just going to repeat this all the way around. You should have a total of 8 tentacles. I will show you how my work is looking when I get to the end. Once you have all 8 tentacles, you're going to slip stitch into the front loop that your stitch marker is in. And then I like to slip stitch again into the very first loop that we started from. Snip your yarn, pull the tail through the last loop on your hook, and then I like to tie these 2 tails together and pull them into the body of the octo. From here we can place the eyes. They go into round 4 about 3 stitches apart. Once you place the eyes, before you put the backs on, I like to use a little bit of hot glue. After the eyes have cooled, I just work through the opening in the body of the octo and place these little plastic clips on the back of the eyes. Next, add stuffing and form the outside of the octo so that it's nice and smooth. Once it has just the right amount of stuffing, close up the opening in the octo. Next, I'll add a string and clip. If you're still watching here at this point of the video, I would love if you left me a comment, even if it was just an emoji. It really helps the algorithm find other people that might really enjoy watching this video. So thanks for saying hi, and I look forward to answering any of your questions. I hope you enjoy making these super cute little octos. Please be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, share this tutorial with your friends, and of course subscribe if you haven't. I hope you have a lovely crochet day, and to see you again in my next tutorial.